Et bonjour YouTube, on en est à l'épisode 4 de Wolf Among Us. Vraiment un jeu de dingue honnêtement, et je comprends que les gens soient patients pour le 2. Et nous, on va continuer l'épisode 4.
If you can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm. It's as simple as that.
Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in glamour?
I can't finish the mirror. It's missing a piece.
Crane must have taken a shard with him. The open arms.
Enjoy your stay.
Thanks, Bigby. And thanks for covering for me last time, too.
Bigby? How could you do this to me? I guess I finally see you for who you are! Tell me who did it! Just tell me who did it! I know you know!
I don't think he did it.
What?
Look at him. Do you really think this man murdered these women?
It was a good show. But, you know.
Just take him, okay? Take Crane.
Well, this is gonna be a beautiful relationship we have with you guys. Really. I mean it. Out with the old, in with the new. Long live the Queen.
T'inquiète Lily, on parlait de tes couilles instantanées.
See you around.
Oh, j'étais en train de dire, j'ai manqué un truc.
Hollow point bullets are a nasty business. The silver slug deformed and shredded on impact.
He'll be okay, though.
Hmm?
He'll be okay?
His internal organs are positively riddled. If I don't extract every single scrap of silver, he's liable to suffer some long-term toxicosis. Easy there. Try not to move.
Bigby.
Ah,
This way, old
c'est
boy.
dégueulasse.
I figured I'd be done before you were conscious. But there's little I can do for the pain. Just stay still and let me finish.
Swinehart,
Heureux Lily.
how bad is it?
Well, not the worst I've seen, but damn
T'inquiète
near it.
Lily.
I must say, you're testing even my skills
On n'entendait
here.
pas des... On disait pas de trucs bizarres, hein, bien sûr.
Please, Bigby, don't move it. Doctor.
Look, I'm a bit engaged saving his life at the moment. But if the fractured extremity concerns him that much, he can set it himself.
On va voir. Ah, je suis obligé de voir. Ah, c'est dégueulasse. Non, t'as rien raté, Lee. C'est vraiment le tout début.
For heaven's sake.
Ah c'est horrible.
Wasn't so difficult, was it? That'll do. You're probably better off. This way I won't have to reset it later. He's lucky to be alive. And he won't be next time if he keeps going like this. He didn't listen to me before. Maybe he'll listen to you.
I don't know about that.
Well, he should. There are limits to what even I can do.
It's not like I asked for this shit to happen.
Yes, but it's not like you actively discouraged it either. Excuse me, Miss White, but perhaps it'd be better if you gave me a few minutes to finish with him.
I think I should stay, at least until he's out of the woods.
Believe me, Bigby couldn't be in better hands. And I need the space to work, so if you wouldn't mind.
Don't worry, Snow. I'll be okay.
We'll be done in a moment. Just please, give us the time.
Hey, Doc, how much longer?
Colin, leave him be.
It's finished when it's finished.
'Cause I once watched a vet sew a turtle together in 10 minutes flat.
Colin, you're not even supposed to be here right now.
Oh, really? Where am I supposed to be? I'm here to take care of my friend.
Colin, shut the hell up, will you?
Yes, that would be helpful. There. All done.
Great.
This isn't a habit you should keep to. Having visits with me. And, well, this time was no joke. Eat as many metal shellings as you see fit, but take just one more silver round near your heart, and the only place I'll be visiting you is the morgue.
Pas très rassurant.
Miss White. He'll be fine for light duty, if he can figure out what that means.
He knows what it means. It's just been an unusual couple of days.
I know, but please, don't give him the excuse. His body will eventually give out. Take care of him, please.
I will. He'll need rest, I assume?
Sleep mostly. Just keep watch, and make sure he doesn't get into further altercations.
Snow has enough to deal with, Swinehart. I can take care of myself.
Clearly. Anyways, guard against, as they say. Miss White, Sheriff, Colin.
Swiney.
J'aime bien le port. Hein. Je l'aime bien, Colin.
So, how do you, feel?
It's Bigby, Snow. He'll be okay. Hell, I seen him take worse.
Not much worse.
Don't worry about me, all right? I'll be fine.
See? Strong as an oak, this guy.
I'm glad you're not dead. You stopped breathing, you know, when you passed out or died, I guess. It kind of scared the hell out of me. I've never seen you like that. And when Swinehart arrived, you know him, he's
Ne meurs pas
never
facilement,
worried.
t'inquiète.
And even he thought you were...
T'inquiète.
Pretty hard to kill.
Yeah, you were really fucked up, man. You look like when you take an action figure and bend its limbs the wrong way.
Quelle horreur.
Colin...
I'm just saying, I was worried about him is all. The guy hasn't had a night's rest in days.
Well, I'll get some rest when this whole thing is done.
What whole thing? What's even happening out there? I mean, do you guys have like a plan or something? And who should I be asking? Should I be worried about the Crooked Man taking over? Or is Crane still the thing?
Crane is still our focus. I just can't forget everything he's done. I don't care if he has problems with the Crooked Man.
Ichabod's gone. It's over for him. He's not coming back. It's not about Crane anymore, Bigby. The Crooked Man came out of the shadows for a reason. For him to attack us so blatantly like that. He either feels invincible...
Je veux juste voir un peu la fable sur le tordu. Sur elle, déjà, Bloody Mary. Véritable histoire de celle connue sous le nom de Bloody Mary est presque totalement inconnue par tous. Même par les fables les plus bavardes, son nom, Mary, ne soulève aucun débat. Tout comme son penchant pour la violence la plus crue, une résistance à la magie et au sort infaillible, et son étrange habileté à utiliser n'importe quelle surface réfléchissante comme portail sans même tenir compte du temps et de l'espace. Connu par les communs comme l'apparition d'un fantôme sans enfant, rien ne laisse penser que cette théorie est valable. Et là c'est le port depuis le début. Ah ouais, non, je pense pas. Et attendez, le tordu. Bah en argent, non. Non. Est-ce qu'on a quelque chose sur le tordu? On n'a rien, hein. Non, hein, on n'a rien. Il y a une page sur moi, oui, il y a une page sur toi. Du coup, depuis tout à l'heure, t'as des images bizarres dans la tête, Miel, à cause des couilles instantanées de Lily.
Well, if
Je vois pas le
those are
problème.
my two options, I don't think I'd pick desperate.
What do you mean?
You traded Crane to save Bigby. I'm just saying, that's not exactly something you do when you're playing with house money.
So he called my bluff. It's not like I'm gonna let Bloody Mary just murder.
Yeah, thanks, Snow, for all that back there.
No problem.
Thanks? You're not pissed that Crane's flown the coop? Or that the crooked man thinks he's got Snow under his thumb?
We're all mad about it, Colin. But it's not like we had a strong choice in the matter.
Of course I'm pissed, but what's done is done.
Okay, okay.
All I care about right now is just what does the crooked man want out of this? I thought he was just a loan shark, but clearly he's operating in other circles. It can't just be about Crane, right? Getting him out of town? Is this all about the murders? Crane can't be useful to him anymore. So what could this have to do with Faith and Lily? How long has this stuff been going on?
Fait chier le mauvais mec
I
surtout.
couldn't really give a shit what they want out of this. They just made the wrong fucking enemy.
Ouais, le mauvais mec, mais dans quelques jours là.
The Crooked Man declared war against us last night. At least that's what I thought when it happened. But now I see this war has been going on for years. We just haven't noticed it because our way of doing things is broken. We need to do things the right way.
What does that mean, the right way?
What do you think I mean?
I don't know, but it suspiciously sounds like your way. Bigby's the one on the front lines.
Look, I know things haven't gone great recently, but we're still doing our best.
Si je dis que si je l'ai fait à ma façon, elle va pas aimer.
So, starting now, we do everything cut and dried, by the book, straight as an arrow.
Pure as driven snow.
I'm not saying I'm the arbiter of...
Sure you're not.
This town has enough monsters. What happened last night, what you turned into, it can't happen again.
We need monsters to fight monsters.
Colin, if I really believed that we needed him to lose his flippin' mind at a moment's notice, then that would mean I'd lost all faith in our ability to help this town.
I'm sure from your vantage point, it's extraordinarily easy to judge me.
Bigby.
But you sit behind a desk all day. And only tonight did you see what it's like to be pushed into a corner all the time just for doing your job.
You think I don't know what it's like to have my life in danger? To not be pushed to do things? I know what it's like. And I know
non
what it's
plus
like
exactement
to
ce que je
lie
voulais
to
dire, mais
yourself,
ouais.
to justify what you've done. So don't talk to me like I'm other people. Look, Bigby, I care about how this is done just as much as I care about it getting done.
So for that, you want to give him a handicap? Like the bad guys will worry if shit gets sloppy. Everybody wants Bigby to smile and shave and take a shower now and then. Hell, I'm practically the president of the Bigby Don't Be Such a Dick Club.
Well, at least someone understands. Thanks, Colin.
He'll get the job done. Just let him do it.
I'm going to let you do it, okay? It's just that now that I'm deputy mayor, I need your respect.
Oh, le
And
regard de
this
Colleen.
situation has to end.
What situation?
All
Elle est un
One
peu
Glam of
chiante,
Fables
hein, effectivement,
starting
Lily, hein.
today
Elle est un
have
petit
to
peu
go
chiante, hein.
and stay
Blanche,
at the
là.
Oh, give me a fucking break. Are you gonna let her talk to me like that?
It's been the rule for a reason, Colin.
Après,
And
bon,
Bigby knows it's for the
c'est quand
best
même
of
Blanche
the
qui
town.
commande.
If Snow says that's the way it's gotta be, that's the way it's gotta be.
What? Are you kidding me?
If you would simply get a glamour.
Get a glamour? With what money? You think I can work? I don't even have thumbs.
Wolf's residence.
That's rude.
Oh, Buffkin, what is it? Okay, I'll let him know. Thanks. Guess who's waiting in your office right now? Nerissa.
Nerissa?
That broad from the pudding and pie?
Yes.
Ah,
Apparently, she told Buffkin that she has something she needs to talk to you about. But that she'll only tell you. And what do you think that could be?
Bigby's got an admirer. You always do well with the, disenfranchised. Something about your prickly demeanor attracts him like a moth to a flame.
She probably just wants to talk
et
about
coucou
last
Cléa.
night. The whole
Comment ça,
thing with the
comment ça,
pudding
ça parle de
pie.
Clermont aux infos?
Maybe. I should get back to the business office. I've left Buffkin alone for too long taking calls. And I should probably
Comment tu vas
change
sinon
out of
Cléa?
these clothes.
Les dealers, ah oui, oui, il y en a.
Consider the
clairement.
discussion tabled but not over. Let me know when you're done with Nerissa.
Aye, aye, Captain. She's a piece of work. Hey, you're not really gonna send me to the farm, are you? I mean, she seemed real serious about it, but I can still hang out here.
Look, maybe a few will get sent up, but you're my friend, Colin. I wouldn't do that to you. Don't worry.
Ah, moi ça va, Cléa. Moi
Thanks,
ça va.
Bigby.
Ah, Yoli qui deal du fromage. Ouais, c'est quand même l'amitié avant la loi. C'est mignon, Clermont. Ouais, bof. Il n'y a pas grand chose à faire. Hein. Ah, ça dépend. Moi j'achète plutôt. Moi j'achète le fromage. Oh, c'est trop cool, hein, vraiment. J'aime trop ce jeu. Ah, c'est ouf, hein. En stream, je découvre des pépites en ce moment. Pépite sur pépite, c'est incroyable. Comme je dis, mignon. Ouais, chiant, c'est chiant, ouais, mignon, ouais.
Hi, Sheriff.
Hi, Nerissa. Have a seat.
Est-ce que vous allez pouvoir nous parler de tout?
Are you okay? You didn't look good last night. I wasn't sure you'd be, you know, around.
Ne vous inquiétez pas pour moi.
I'm fine. Don't worry about it.
Racontez-moi ce que vous êtes venu faire.
Huff and Puffs. Not many people smoke those.
Et coucou Emily. J'espère que tu vas bien.
Thanks.
So what is it you wanted to talk to me about?
On veut savoir.
I know what you did for me, sending me to the open arms. I think you want to help me again.
There's not a lot that I can talk about. You know that.
So that spell Crane was trying to break. It's not just while you're at work, huh?
What I mean is, I don't want to waste your time, but I don't want you wasting your own time either.
Back in the dressing room, at the pudding and pie, I told you what I was looking for, and you found a way to tell me. You sent me to the open arms. Maybe that'll work again?
You can try. I just...
Bah il va falloir bien...
Go ahead.
Enfin... Est-ce que c'est à propos du tordu? Est-ce que c'était un coup monté par
Might
Crane?
work.
Peut-être de
You're
cette façon.
here because the crooked
Ouais, ça
man
va
just
moi,
sent
Emily.
Crane to the
Ça va
bottom
bien.
of my list of worries. And you have something you want to say
Ça va
about
bien, ça va
it,
bien.
right?
Je passais une bonne journée. J'ai charbonné sur les
These
reels Insta.
lips are sealed.
Allez voir Insta, bien sûr.
If I could answer you just like that, I
Comme ça, au
wouldn't
moins,
have
j'en ai
had to make
d'avance.
that appointment with you.
No, I guess not.
Sometimes we have to find our way through life on our own, grasping and fumbling in the dark. I used to have friends, help me find my way. But now, they're gone. And I don't know what to do. Is this making any sense? I'm not sure how I can.
Vous pouvez me faire
Are you
confiance.
saying you need a friend right now?
Il faut toujours regarder le titre du live, Emily, ici.
What I'm saying
Toujours, je
is
raconte toujours de la merde.
friends
Et les
now.
notifs aussi. Les notifs de live aussi, elles sont connes. Souvent.
I don't have any left. So I hope you're looking after yours. Are you? Look around you.
Fais attention à tout le
It's my
monde.
job to look out for people.
Bah ouais, je...
Not just my friends.
I'm sorry. I thought I could do this. I need you to know I want to help, but...
Mais vos
But
lèvres
your
sont
lips are
scellées.
sealed.
Ouais.
I'm sorry if I'm wasting your
Non,
time.
mais t'inquiète. On va réussir à élucider ça un moment.
Ribbons. Faith wore one too.
Do you like it? Do you?
C'est ravissant.
It is beautiful. That's why you can't tell me anything. It's the ribbon, isn't it?
Ah, est-ce que c'est pour ça qu'elle avait le ruban dans la bouche? Le côté où le ruban dans la bouche, c'était en mode elle ne peut rien dire.
Can't we just take the ribbon off?
No! His lips are sealed.
What?
You can't. Just stay back. You can't do that.
Slow down. It's all right. I'm not gonna do anything.
Please, don't.
Je suis allé peut-être un peu trop vite. J'ai dû passer en paysage pour voir la pépite, je comprends que...
So the ribbons. If you
Des bisous
take them off,
Cléa, bonne soirée. Merci d'être passé, c'est gentil. Et bien sûr, manger du fromage sans modération, bien sûr. Bien sûr, bien entendu. Surtout que c'est la saison là, bientôt.
If anyone finds out I came here,
That's probably snow.
listen.
T'as un peu trop le
Sheriff,
sourire,
Can you
Big B
keep this
pour dire ça.
conversation between us? I could be in a lot of trouble. I shouldn't be talking to you. Please. Just please don't say anything.
Ok.
Sorry, I just need to talk to the sheriff for a moment. Please excuse us.
1 minute.
I might have a new lead for you, but I don't know how solid it is. Beauty and Beast called the office just now. They said they wanted to talk to you about something. I wonder if they've heard about Crane.
Thank you for listening, Sheriff. You should go on to your next business. I don't think you'll be wasting your time.
Wait, you don't have to go.
Tes lèvres sont fermées.
That was abrupt.
It's one way to send a message.
What did she tell you? I didn't mean to rush her out.
Comment elle aurait fait pour nous le donner?
Did you get anything from her?
Je sais pas.
She couldn't really say anything. The magic
Je
that
préfère lui
Crane
dire.
was talking about.
Moi je la mets quand même au
And
courant,
you can't
Blanche.
take the ribbon off. Or
It's how Faith and Lily died.
okay then.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Good work. So about Beauty and Beast.
Oui, c'est ça.
Do you think
Face voulait me
there's
le donner,
something
ouais,
to
ouais.
it? Is this the right place to look? What could they know about the Crooked Man? Or do you think they just heard about last night and they're scared about what's been going on?
Beauty told me she
Oui,
had
non, mais
to
t'inquiète,
take out
j'avais
a
vu.
loan from the Crooked Man.
Mais c'est pour ça que je suis
Seems like a pretty bad deal.
assez
I can
étonné
only
et donc je me
imagine what
dis
they're thinking now.
Enfin, elle voulait nous le donner. Elle voulait pas vraiment nous le donner, si, je me rappelle plus. Elle nous avait dit directement qu'elle voulait nous le donner, Faith.
Who knows what? I have other matters to attend to.
Mais t'as pas fait ce choix-là. Je savais plus si c'était exactement qu'elle voulait nous le donner ou qu'elle nous avait dit un truc autour du ruban et qu'on était en mode... je sais plus. Mais ouais, dans ce cas-là, je suis intrigué aussi. Elle serait morte devant nous. C'est étrange, hein. Peut-être frapper. Frappe. Oui. J'étais en mode, je vais ouvrir direct.
Oh. What do you want? Well, you're just going around knocking on doors? Stirring the pot?
Snow sent me. Said you wanted to talk.
Not me.
Listen, I've had a shitty night.
You think you're the only one?
And I really don't want to deal with the runaround. Snow said you called and wanted to talk to me.
Well, I didn't call. Must have been Beauty. She's been surprising me a lot lately.
Can I?
So have you, Bigby. Yet, with all the sneaking around and secrets, somehow I'm still the bad guy in this. I've had to hear about it all night long from her.
Who is it? Who's there? Beast? Who's at the door?
If you don't want to talk, can you just get Beauty for me?
I don't know. Is it safe to turn my back?
T'inquiète.
It's your pal, Bigby.
Hi, Bigby. Please excuse us for just a minute. Can I talk to you in private?
Yes, let's.
Ok, et moi je peux me balader. Ok, très bien.
Guess I really do have the smallest apartment in the woodlands.
Ah, vraiment, le jeu est exceptionnel. Hein.
What's he doing here? We don't need to bring him into this.
Beast.
I just don't think we can trust him. Not after the way he went behind my back.
Ouais, vraiment, la bête, elle me fait pas confiance de ce que j'entends.
Well, I trust him.
Of course you do. He was keeping
La bête, elle me fait pas confiance et...
One little thing. Do you want to keep fighting about that? Or do you want to try to sort
Talk
this
about
out?
living in the past.
We can handle this on our own. You didn't have to bring him here.
We're out of money. And
Par contre, je me demande si dans le...
that's why I called.
Si dans le comics, c'est mieux expliqué. Le principe de comment les fables aujourd'hui en sont venus à vivre ici en fait. Parce que c'est pas beaucoup expliqué pour l'instant. Ouais, mais en gros, ce qu'ils disent, Lily, c'est que elle me fait confiance. Lui, non, pas du tout.
You know
en
what
gros,
they
c'est ça.
say. Centuries of marriage come with centuries of baggage.
I gotta say, your place, it looks, expensive.
What do you mean by that?
Beast.
No, really, I want to know. What are you trying to say, huh? Did you come to give us decorating tips?
Nothing. It's a nice place you got here.
Ça me donne trop envie hein, d'acheter les comics.
That's
Hein, je vous le
really
dis.
not why I called.
Is this something about that loan you took out? From the crooked man?
I didn't know what else to do. So
We should deal with this on our own. Bigby's just going to complicate
I
things.
called him here, and I want to see if he can help us out. Why are you being like this?
I'm just trying to do what's best for us. That's all I ever do.
Well, what kind of trouble are you in? Either it's the money or
J'ai envie de savoir là
something
pourquoi elle
else.
nous a appelés au final.
I gotta know one thing first. What if we did have something to say about the Crooked Man? What if we talk and you don't get him? And all this comes back on us? We'd be risking a lot. We've seen what happens when you cross the Crooked Man. And I don't know if it's worth it. If you can't give us certain assurances.
We're just looking for a little peace of mind in this.
I can protect you, but only
Pas
if
de
you tell me what I
soucis.
need to know. And that means details. No more stonewalling.
We aren't.
De toute façon, c'est pas ce que j'achèterai tout de suite.
And just tell me what's going on here.
Look, we're used to a certain kind of lifestyle, okay? We couldn't just give that
We
up.
never meant for it to get like this. It's just that we had nowhere else to turn, and we got in over our heads.
There's not a lot of work out there. Who would we be if we just lived like Let me
Oh,
just.
ils sont trop
A
bigs.
day at the beach?
Skiing the slopes?
And we can't come to the
Hey,
phone right now,
we're not
so
done
leave a
yet.
message at the
I
beep
should-
and we'll get back to you as soon as... humanly possible.
Il est très long leur répondeur. Il est extrêmement long.
Fucking message. I'm gonna come down there and bash your heads in with that machine if I have to call again and hear that fucking message one more time. I've been doing this long enough to know that if
C'est
you
la voix
had
de
the
Barbe
cash,
Bleue.
you'd have paid by now. So consider yourselves out of warnings. It's time to start thinking about how else you can settle this. Cause next time, I'm making a house call.
What the hell did you get yourselves into?
The Crooked Man's gonna get his, one way or another.
On aurait dit la bizarre comme pizzeria, j'avoue. Putain, à chaque fois qu'on les appelle pour leur dire que leur pizza est arrivée, on a ce répondeur de merde.
Where do I go?
Casse les couilles au bout d'un moment.
The Lucky Pawn. That's where I borrowed the money.
On aurait dit la voix
The
de
Crooked
Barbe
Man's
Bleue,
behind
non?
that place. I'd overheard people talking to Jersey about loans before. So, when I needed money, that's where I went. I didn't know what to do.
Wait, who do you deal with?
Jersey. You know, the Jersey Devil.
Pas du tout.
Oh yeah, that slimy prick. I didn't realize he was back on this side of the river.
And those Tweedles were always going in and out.
Ah,
Probably dropping off a loan payment they
je vais dire
squeezed
le
out of some
Tweedlepad,
poor
parce que
fable.
maintenant il y en a plus beaucoup.
Never the Crooked Man. Mainly it's just regular fables. I can see now that it was a mistake, but I'm not the only one who goes there, you know. I saw the woodsman's axe there just the other day. It was in a display case.
I guess he's hit hard times too. There's a lot of that going around. I can't imagine he has a lot of marketable skills.
Sometimes fables just don't have anywhere else to go.
What the hell are you doing hanging out at a place like the Lucky Pawn anyway?
Intéresse quand même.
Sometimes fables sell things they brought from the homelands. Things you can't find anywhere else.
You do know there's a difference between pawning something and selling it, don't you?
I know that.
You're buying a piece of someone else's misery. With money you don't have.
Well, that's over now. Maybe if you go there, you can sort some things out.
I guess I'll go check out the Lucky Pawn. If I can't track down the Crooked Man there, maybe I can make enough noise that the Crooked Man will come find me.
Hold on, Bigby. Don't go there. Sounds like you're just going to get Beauty in trouble. And... You know that butcher shop? The cut above? It's the place on Tubman Street. Same block as the baker and the candlestick maker. Well, I've been delivering packages from there for a while.
Ah, et quel type de colis?
It's for the Crooked Man.
Ah,
And I don't
on avance
think
un peu.
it's meat in the packages. You gotta understand, I needed work.
You have to believe us.
Merde, j'aurais dû lui demander ce qu'il
Very
livre plutôt.
carefully. Did you ever deliver to the Crooked Man? Can you give me an address?
No. I delivered to places all over town, but never to the man himself. It never seems to be heading to the same place, but it always comes out of the butcher shop.
How did you get involved with this?
Johann the butcher called. He had a problem with the refrigeration unit one night.
Hmm.
When I finished, it was your pal Mary who showed up to pay me. She said I was reliable. She liked that. And it's the only thing I've been able to pick up, and it's still not enough. I don't want Beauty to have to work, especially not where she was.
It's Mary you deal with? Bloody Mary is there?
No, Johann is the one who hands over the packages, you know, day to day. But I've seen her around there. She gets under my skin, you know. I try to avoid her. But I don't need to tell you what she's
You're damn right you don't.
Non mais Lily.
I don't need to run down
Au
on her
secours.
reputation. If Mary works out of there, I need to look into it.
I just wanted to provide for Beauty. Give her the kind of life she deserves.
We shouldn't have to live like this. Scraping to get by.
None of us should. We were royalty once. We were accustomed to a certain lifestyle. All we want is to make this place feel a little bit like home. You wouldn't understand, Bigby.
I don't need to understand.
Pas
It's
besoin de
not my
comprendre.
fucking job to understand.
Je vais aller
My
voir.
job is to keep Fabletown safe.
So, where are you going? If this all goes sideways, I'd like to know where it's coming from.
Ah, en vrai, où est-ce qu'on va? Où est-ce qu'on va, les amis? Moi j'ai mon idée, mais je vous laisse choisir. Boucherie? Allez, boucherie. Je voulais aussi boucherie, donc je voulais aussi vu qu'il y a tout qui a l'air d'être de là-bas aussi.
You know, Bigby, once you show up there, word is gonna spread. There may be nothing left for you to see if you go to the Lucky Pawn after.
Well, I guess I'll find out.
Wait, I don't know what you're planning to do when you find the Crooked Man, but is there any way you could help us out?
What do you mean?
C'est vrai que la boucherie risque de devenir une boucherie, effectivement, Emily.
We would really appreciate it. What do you say?
Can you help us out?
I'll handle it. I'm not gonna let that crooked bastard ruin any more lives.
Oh, thank you, Bigby.
I'm sure you'll do the right thing.
Oh, ça s'accélère, ça s'accélère. Oh, le choix, arrêtez de fumer ou continuez de fumer, c'est génial. Elle donne pas envie les
Very
viandes. Hein.
appetizing. Frozen solid. Who'd want to eat this?
Elle donne pas très envie toutes ces viandes.
Empty. Either he's got a whole lot of customers, or he doesn't have any. Right.
C'est le menu?
I don't see these cuts anywhere in here.
Et elle est abandonnée cette boucherie, elle fait plus vraiment boucherie. J'aurais arrêté, ça va mal commencer si je respecte pas en arrivant, je me dis. Ouais, peut-être, effectivement. Ouais, mais c'est pas censé bien se passer, hein, moi je vais être honnête, hein.
Bigby Wolf? Well, welcome, Sheriff. What can I get for you? You interested in a...
Pas censé bien se passer.
Let's see. What do we have in stock? Let's see what we got here. Flank steak on special. New York strip.
Pas du tout envie.
Oh, I can have
Il y a
some
des
wild
poils
boar
dessus.
tomorrow if you like. Sirloin, ribs, roast.
Johan, I want to know exactly what's going on here.
We sell meat. Did you want to buy something? What you see is what you get.
Oui.
Just meat. You won't find anything else. We just, we do more wholesale and meat packing than walk-up service. I'd like to help you. Really, I would. But there's nothing here.
And what if I do find something here? Because if you haven't been
Je
straight...
vais faire monter la pression
Really,
envers lui.
Sheriff, you won't.
We'll see about that.
Sheriff, Did you hear that?
What?
Oh, I'm real sorry. Hold on. I just gotta go check on that. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back.
Butcher?
I just have to go see.
Ça va aller voir aussi.
Shit.
Ah putain, il a... Ah ouais, il a appuyé sur le bouton. Ah oui, putain, j'ai pas fait attention.
I got it covered back here,
Oui, oui. On va élever la voix, hein.
Okay, I've had enough of this shit, Johan. Come on out.
Enfin, attention, il y a un petit peu de... Il y a des vaches qui se balancent. Et là, retour de la vache, bam.
Such an innocent guy, you're acting pretty damn strange, Johan.
I don't know what to tell you. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. They're gonna kill me. Oh God, she is gonna fucking kill me. He's gonna get me killed. Things I do. Huh?
How you doing?
Please, please, Bigby, please don't.
Bigby? What happened to Sheriff?
Please don't kill me, Sheriff. I don't want to die. Please, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
If you don't talk, I might have to do just that. Is that what you want, Johan?
No, no, please. You don't have to do that. I'm dead. Either way. They said to me, Johan, you can keep your life and lose your shop, or lose both. What would you do? It was a simple choice to make in the moment. Easy, even when they got you on a hook in the deep freeze. But it's a hard one to live with.
Je m'occupe de ce qu'il y a derrière la porte.
It won't be your problem anymore.
I can't.
Why not?
Si tu peux.
What's back there?
I don't know. Honest. I've never been back there. It's locked from the other side. Look, I just worked the front. That's all I'm supposed to do.
Well, who locked the fucking door?
Vas-y.
I'm not part of their crew. I don't know who or what goes on back there.
Crew?
The Crooked Man's people. Jersey Devil?
Cadavre? Non, Emily. Non, il y a plus qu'un cadavre.
Bloody Mary. You want to talk about the real butcher? It's her, not me. This is her place. I'm telling you, they muscled in on me. Took over my storage and delivery a long time ago. All cause of that heat wave.
On va le laisser parler au cas où il dit des informations.
I'd let Mary and those porkers stay cool in the meat locker one day, playing cards, having a great time. I guess they were sizing the place up. Shows what I get for being nice. I'm just a victim in this. I don't know what they do back there. I swear. And I don't want to know. I'm not allowed to know.
Well, we're about to see what's back there. And then we'll see if I believe you.
I knew this would happen. Didn't know when.
Shh.
Et pas de bruit. Pas très bien, verrouiller ces portes. Putain, j'ai cru qu'il allait m'assommer par derrière l'autre. J'ai vu son ombre, je me suis dit, oh là, il va m'assommer derrière. Marie qui joue avec les porcs, mais doute sur Colin reste valable. Oh non, franchement, Colin, je pense qu'il est quand même safe. Hein. Je pense qu'au contraire, Colin, il va être plus une monnaie d'échange.
What is this place?
I told you, Bigby. I don't know. They muscled me out. I swear, I don't know anything more. I haven't been back here when it was like this.
Warning lights.
It's business. It's all I've ever had.
These lights, Johan. Did you warn them I was here?
I had to. You
You're
making trouble for me. But you only give a shit now because the Crooked Man stepped on your toes or something. Where were you when they took this place from me? It hasn't been easy for me. You think I want to live with this at my back? I needed help.
Well, I'm here now. I'm gonna sort this all out.
Ok, des trompe-l'œil.
So this is what Beast was delivering. Glamours, other kinds of magic. Could be dangerous stuff. Chains.
Y aurait quelqu'un qui travaille ici?
You
Un
can't
peu
think I'm
sous
the
la
only one
contrainte?
the Crooked Man has under his yoke.
T'es un loup, tu peux renifler l'odeur.
These are raw materials for making magic. Auntie Greenleaf and any other rogue witches out there probably get their supplies here.
Là, on est sur la plaque tournante des trompe-l'œil. Hein. Et ça, c'est quoi? C'est les formules chimiques, j'imagine?
Huh. Looks like math or something.
Ah, il y a un deuxième truc derrière. Avec des noms.
Is everybody on here? Do you know anything about this?
I don't know. A lot of fables out there need a lot of things.
J'ai vu Green Wolf
You
au
see
tout
what's
début.
going on here? All these fables, getting magic from him. Business is booming. He's got all he needs. The raw materials, and the slave labor to process them. And with all this gear, looks like they could make just about any kind of magic. A lot of it. And it's pretty clear why.
Oh yeah? Why?
Doing it like this. It's bound to be cheaper than the 13th floor.
This is just horrible. Things that must have gone on here.
It's the pudding and pie girls with the ribbons. Whoever he's got in here in these chains. He's enslaving fables. On my watch. People just don't know the real cost of getting something cheap.
You don't have to tell me.
Fucker, Crane knew all about it.
Yeah, what about Crane? If this all... I mean, finding the Crooked Man is so fucking important, why don't you ask your boss?
Snow?
No, Crane.
Alors,
He
ça va
said he
être
knows
difficile.
where everybody is. I don't know how, but he's got some way. That's right. It was that creepy magic mirror with the big green head and all. Why don't you just use that? Find the Crooked Man that way. And leave me alone.
Ouais, mais pour ça, il faudrait
Yeah.
déjà retrouver le
Stuff
dernier
like
morceau.
that mirror, I'm surprised that you ever need to leave the office. Can't you just vaporize anyone who gives you trouble? Do it right from your living room.
Je vais dire quand même
Crane
que...
shattered the mirror and made off with one of the pieces. Probably
Ouais,
still has
je
the
vois
shard
Lily ce que
with
tu veux
him.
dire,
Well,
le
if
petit
they
journal.
got their hands on
Effectivement, il y avait des lettres comme ça
magical
aussi.
item,
C'est
there's
clairement
only one
possible que
place
ce
they
soit lié.
take it. The Lucky Pawn. They probably took Crane there too.
The Lucky Pawn. If I can find the mirror piece there, I can find the Crooked Man.
Hey, hold on. Well, I'm real happy you found what you're looking for, Bigby. But what about me? Huh? Do you really think this is gonna be all right? With all this stuff in here, I do know one thing. That's his icon, his symbol. What kind of a guy uses a torture device as his icon? The kind of guy who isn't gonna be understanding about Bigby Wolf showing himself in. So tell me this. What the hell am I supposed to do now? I'm gonna have to spend the rest of my short life looking over my shoulder for Bloody Mary.
Report to the business office. Tell Snow I sent you there, and we'll figure something out. Some kind of protection.
Thank you. Thank you, Sheriff.
Normal. Il m'a pas fait trop chier. Normal. À part de sonner l'alerte là, par contre. Et on peut pas voir par où ils se sont enfuis là.
Jersey, don't give me that shit. What the fuck is the point of having a system if you're just gonna...
my fucking
Jack,
system.
what the fuck is going on?
But you're the guy who
Just
makes
gonna.
sure-
I'm the guy that keeps shit in order,
you know.
and that's it, Woody. If you love your ex so fucking much, why'd you pawn it in the first fucking place, huh?
I didn't
Non,
pawn it,
c'est Jersey.
asshole. It was stolen from my apartment.
You don't want no part of this, pal.
La Jersey et
So
la
get
bûche.
the fuck out of my sight. Hit the bricks. See you later.
Hey, what's going on here?
What the fucking hell?
Christ. And this fucking guy, too?
Are you kidding me? It was here. It was right fucking here. What did you do with it?
How the fuck do I know?
Listen, you bald little dipshit. You're gonna... You piece of shit!
Cool it, Woody.
Back off, dog. This
La,
doesn't
la hache,
concern you.
je sais où
We
elle l'a
don't need
elle l'a
the
eu.
business office involved in this shit.
Enfin, je
I
sais où elle
just
est.
want what's mine. My axe. Anyone, and I mean anyone who gets in the way of that...
C'est
has
l'autre qui l'a,
something
la
else
hache.
coming
C'est Mary.
What is your
D'accord.
fucking problem? Just stay out of my way, all right?
How you
Il y avait une
feeling
échelle, mais
today,
visiblement, on
Sheriff?
pouvait pas la respecter. Ouais, ouais, d'accord.
Still looking for whoever killed them hookers? Or are you done chasing your tail?
Alors toi, par contre, tu vas pas faire long feu. Hein.
Where's my axe? Who'd you give it to?
Ouais, par contre, t'as raison. Il ressemble un peu à Kratos, t'as raison.
This is my fucking fight. Not now. Dog, you got a lot of nerve.
Oh. Oh. Oh, il y a une belle petite porte qui vient de s'ouvrir. Et il y a la hache.
Too bad you couldn't protect those whores. Go on, try to stop them.
Fucking stay down. There she is.
Désolé, pas trop le choix. J'ai voulu être gentil avec toi, hein. T'as cherché la merde très vite.
Hey, asshole.
Allez,
I found her.
merci. Bah voilà. Enfin, attention, t'as une hache plantée dans la tête. Ah, elle va bientôt être plantée dans le cou aussi.
The magic mirror's missing shard. Where is it? Bloody Mary brought it here, didn't she?
You don't know anything about anything, do you? What do you have?
Et bah, on va te faire causer alors.
That useless bitch Snow White and a broken fucking mirror. No fucking friends.
Where's the crooked man? How can I find him?
You can't find a crooked man. No one can.
The Crooked Man.
Oh, the door to his house. It bounces around. Never in one spot. You'll never find it. Even Crane had to use the magic mirror. They dumped all his shit here. Bloody Mary uses this place like a fucking dump.
Where's Crane's stuff? Where'd they put it?
In back.
Non mais pose-lui d'abord toutes les
Just
questions.
go on. Get Crane's shit and go. Not that it's gonna do you any good.
See anything? Crane's coat.
Et il est grand le morceau normalement de miroir.
No time for traveler's checks, huh?
Bon, je prends
You
l'argent.
won't be needing this anymore.
Ça par contre je le prends.
That sick piece of... The shard. It's the shard. Finally.
Hey, Sheriff.
Non mais interroge-le plus.
Those girls are still dead. Oh, and there's nothing you can do to bring them back. And I don't know what they did, but I do know this. Oh, if they're dead, it's 'cause the Crooked Man wanted them dead. That's all it takes. So you can raw smash the place up. Shit. You can wail on me all you want. But what good is it gonna do you? 'Cause he ain't in your town. You're in his. And he sure as shit is ready for you.
Là on aurait pu l'exploser.
Out of smoke?
Après qu'il nous ait dit ça, on aurait pu le quick. Ouais, vous le couper du bois, vous voyez ce que je veux dire. Merde.
I should have hit you with this thing. Shitty brand anyway.
Là j'aurais pu lui donner une
Jersey
clope.
was wrong. About what? About those girls. There is something you can do about it. You can get the fucker who did it. Ain't that the plan? Yeah, you're damn right it is. All right, go do it then. Hey, Woody. Yeah? What are you gonna do now? We all got our roles to play, Wolf. I'll see ya.
Il me fait presque de la peine, hein. En vrai.
I don't care who killed the prostitutes. If Crane was helping himself to the community coffers, it means his hand was in my pocket, and you just let him go.
I don't know what you heard.
Le choix est caché, ce choix est caché.
Are you denying the facts?
She's denying me the chance to get a word in. Now, Miss White.
Buffkin, get this piece in the mirror right away.
With pleasure, Miss White.
Finally. Things
Attends,
are
mais j'avais
spinning
plein de
back
choix
in the
cachés,
right
ça veut dire que j'ai raté des
direction.
trucs?
Good work, Bigby. You've been gone all day. What did you uncover?
Bah pas grand chose apparemment.
Bigby, where have you been?
I'm not finished here, Miss White.
You will have to wait. Just one moment, please.
Look what I found.
Bah qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé? On a fait un retour en arrière là.
But that's over now. Because we got the mirror. And once it's fixed, we got him. That's how Crane did it. That's how we're gonna do it.
Je vais répondre des petits points.
Really?
I'm not in the mood. And you've got a lot to answer for.
Oh, really?
Attendez, mais là il y a un souci de trad là. Il y a plus rien. La trad est pas finie ou? Bah merde. Non mais je pense que la trad est finie, c'est juste que il doit y avoir un souci là dans la trad hein. Bah merde. Allez, je vais aller au menu principal et on va revenir. On va revenir au cas où, mais... À moins que... Imaginons la trad n'a pas été faite en fonction de ce que j'ai fait.
Crane was helping himself to the community coffers. It means his hand was in my pocket, and you just let him go.
I don't know what you heard, but it didn't happen like that.
Are you denying the facts?
She's denying me the chance to get a word in. Now, Miss White,
Sheriff Bigby has returned.
Ah, there's the old wrecking bowl himself.
Bigby, where have you been?
I'm not finished here, Miss White.
You will have to wait. Just one moment, please.
Look what I found.
Seems your dog wants a biscuit.
I'm not in the mood. And you've got a lot to answer for.
Oh, really?
Buffkin, get this piece in the mirror right away.
With pleasure, Miss White.
Finally, things are swinging back in the right
Là, ça a été fait dans le
Good work,
bon ordre, là,
Bigby.
par contre.
You've been gone all day. What did you uncover? I thought you were
Ouais,
going
non,
to
c'est bon,
report
c'est bon,
back
ça
to me.
avait bugué.
I mean,
Ça avait bugué.
it's fine. So what else did you find out?
Merde, j'ai pas cliqué.
All right.
Sheriff, I could use your assistance. Would you join me at the mirror?
Oui, parce que tout à l'heure ça a bugué, ça m'a mis le truc où il chopait.
Unbelievable.
Ça, il chopait le truc de miroir. Et après, il y a eu la scène avant. Mais pas trop de sens.
I thought it best to make sure that nothing untoward saw the light of day.
Oh, fuck off. I know you were burning evidence.
Then tell me, what evidence did I burn?
I have more important things to deal with right now.
C'est vrai que j'ai pas de. J'ai pas de preuves que c'est lui.
I do so enjoy our talks. I'll wait with bated breath.
I don't understand. This piece just doesn't want to join the rest. Do you have any idea why?
Got me.
Well, where did you find it? What has it gone through since being separated from the rest? Shattering is a very traumatic experience, you know. So this process can be a little touchy. Helps that I have a good working relationship with the mirror.
I found it in Crane's coat. Last person I saw with Crane or his coat was that psycho Bloody Mary. Maybe she had some...
Ah, yes, Miss White was asking about her. That explains it. You know who and the mirror have a very unhappy history with each other. How would you like it if she tried to use you as a doorway?
I think I already know the feeling.
Well, I think I know how to proceed now. It will just take a little extra coaxing, that's all. Thank you for your help. It could be a while, Sheriff. I'll find you when it's ready. Besides which, he might not want to come out with you watching.
Oh, he doesn't like being spied on.
Ah, parce que le...
Is it fixed? Did you ask about the Crooked Man?
Buffkin's still working on it. He said it might be a while.
If you're so self-reliant, what do you want from the business office so bad?
What I want is my business.
I can't take those two right now. We're trying to catch a murderer, and they're over there bickering about bureaucracy. We're at war. Don't they realize that?
Do you need some help over there?
Yeah, thanks. Go talk to Toad. But just so you know, we can't pay him. He really needs to go to the farm, you know. So just break the news and be done with it, okay?
Oh, ça va être dur. Oh, ça va être dur.
Toad, come here.
I see how it is. Passed off to an underling, eh? Why am I not surprised? Well, you did cause what damage brings me in here, so maybe it's for the best. Just need a little bit of dosh to cover it. I tried talking to her about it, but it's like chatting up a brick wall, it is. Now, I'm sure you've got your own agenda, Sheriff, but I've taken a real wallet because of you.
Toad, this is the business office, not a bank.
You're always talking about glamours and how it's my responsibility. Well, what about your responsibility? My car, total, the gaping maw in my wall, any of us sound familiar? I'm not looking for a handout, just what's right. I need it, Bigby.
Ah, je peux lui donner l'argent que j'ai eu de Crane. En
Crane
vrai,
won't be getting any use out of this. Will that do?
Crane's money, eh? Well, I suppose that means it belongs to me as much as anybody. Thank you, Sheriff.
Use it to get glamored, Toad. You got the money now, so I won't be so lenient if I catch you again. And the farm is always on the table.
But of course.
You have to understand.
elle a compris que je lui ai pas dit.
Bluebeard, you want to talk? Now's your chance.
Elle a compris que je lui ai
I've
pas
just
dit.
made my donation
Ça me,
funding
c'était
this
ça le
office.
risque.
So direct your questions to Miss White.
Well, at least he's not trying to get rid of me.
He's not?
For now. Did you take care of Toad? I mean, I saw the way he left. I know it may not seem that important right now, but glamours are the law for a very good reason. You know that as well as anyone.
Look, I'll take care of it later. I told him we'd work it out so he'd get out of our hair. We don't have time to worry about that right now.
Bigby, what did I tell you?
If he's unglamored when this whole thing is over, I'll send him to the farm. No questions asked, okay?
Fine, we'll deal with it later. I know I should be asking how it got like this, but I just keep wondering why it happened. To Faith and Lily. You've seen his world. Do you have any idea why he'd want them dead? I don't know if the Crooked Man killed them with his own hand or if it was one of his goons, but someone did.
I don't know. But when I catch the fucker who did this, I'll find out why.
Sheriff, Miss White, I believe the mirror is repaired.
Ah! Ça, c'est une bonne nouvelle.
I have to say I have been better. But thanks for putting me back together.
I'm sorry, I have to know. Mirror, mirror, we're glad you weren't slain. Now please show us that sick creep Crane.
Je veux savoir aussi.
Yeah, I want to see where he's ended up too.
Est-ce qu'il est encore en vie? C'est surtout ça.
You will get on that plane to Paris, and you will wait for the day the Crooked Man needs you. Until then, not a peep. Otherwise, I get to deal with you my way. So please, please disobey. Wait a minute. Someone's watching.
What just happened?
We pointed you in the wrong direction. And looked at Bloody Mary's reflection.
Oh, her. That explains the sting. I'd rather not have to feel the pain she brings. So, let's not do that again, okay?
Looks like we'll have to track him down later.
You're right. We need to focus on the immediate threat, and that's the Crooked Man. Bigby, we don't have a lot of time.
Just show me where I can find the Crooked Man.
I haven't been feeling well of late. Seems neither of us can cooperate.
Damn.
Perhaps I can be of assistance? Mirror, mirror, keep us sane. Show the door to Crooked Man's domain.
I can always count on you, Buffkin.
I don't recognize the door, but that's the Crooked Man symbol on it.
Hold on.
Huh?
The door. It moves.
Yeah, Jersey mentioned that.
Wait a minute. I know that door.
That's Central Park. I don't know when it's gonna move again, but I'm gonna get there before it does.
Bigby, wait. When you get the Crooked Man, make sure you bring him back alive. He has to stand trial. This can't be like it was with Tweedledum. I don't care if it gets out of hand. You don't let it come to that. I know that emotions can run high, and you have your reasons to handle this a certain
Le ramènerai vivant.
I'll catch him and bring him back here, alive, and we can clean him and cook him together.
Good. I have enough to worry about here while I prepare the case against him. So I'm going to trust you to handle this properly. That is, if you think you're ready.
Of course I'm ready. I got no other choice.
Allez. Est-ce qu'il y a encore la marque sur le... Oui. Peut-être pris au piège là maintenant. Pas le meilleur choix.
Tim, what the hell are you doing here?
Good evening, Sheriff. I'm here to take you to the boss. Thanks, by the way, for leaving off Tiny. I have to admit, when they asked me to watch the door, I wasn't sure what to expect when you came through that portal. I know you aren't here on a social call.
What is this place? Or where is it?
C'est étrange, hein?
No, I'm not in Central Park anymore.
I'm not sure. I've only ever come in through one of the portals. I don't think you can get in from the actual street. But you can't blame him for wanting to make it hard to find. I'm supposed to bring you right on in, so if you'll come this way. Look, this is the one thing I have to do. Please don't make this hard on me.
Fine, lead
On
on.
va le suivre. Hein. On va le suivre. Hein. De toute façon, on n'a pas trop d'autres choix.
Thanks for understanding. This is all I'm here to do, and I don't want to mess it up. I know I'm probably the last person you'd expect to be a guard, or an escort for that matter.
Tim, how can you be working here? You know who this guy is, don't you?
He's not as bad as you think. He doesn't treat me
Moyen
like
sûr.
some broken little kid. I think he gets what it's like. He gave me a job, and I'm lucky to have it. This is the only option I've got. Just keep that in mind, maybe? Because if you and the boss go up against each other, the rest of Fabletown is gonna get caught in the middle.
Don't you realize you're not just minding the door? You work for that crooked bastard, your hands get dirty too.
It's not so bad.
Not so bad. Are you fucking blind, Tim? He's a murderer.
So you're telling me you agree with everything Crane does? A lot of us depend on
C'est
him.
vrai qu'il nous
Some
a un
of us
peu...
never get to the
il nous
front
a
of the
un peu
line
coupé
in the
l'herbe sous le
office.
pied là.
But he's there. We need you, but we need him too. What we don't need is a war. Hey, Sheriff, hold up. I gotta go in with you. Can't you just wait up, Sheriff?
On va l'attendre parce que je préfère arriver avec lui.
Thanks.
Moi, il est là.
Am I some kind of a fucking joke to you? What did I tell you, eh? Stop laughing at me.
Tell me who the fuck is back there.
I ain't scared of you.
I don't exactly know. I just mind the door. The
You
boss
needn't
is there.
worry. He'll come
I know
around.
that much.
And like Crane before him, I'm sure he will prove himself quite handy to have in my pocket. Either he's smart enough to see this is for the best, or dim enough to do as he's told.
I say he'd be more useful killed, skinned, and made into a rug for me to wipe my shoes on. That bloody monster.
On va l'ouvrir.
Bloody hell! This fucking guy!
Ils sont tous les trois là. Tous les quatre.
I was wondering when you'd turn up.
I'm sorry, sir. He wouldn't let
It's all
me.
right.
Il me fait penser à... Ah merde, comment il s'appelle? Celui qui fait à ma guise. Comment il s'appelle? Il me fait penser à lui.
I shouldn't have expected the sheriff
Uh.
to give you respect enough to do your job.
J'ai
But you
plus
did
son nom.
fine. You can go
Il
now.
a sa tête. Je suis désolé. Il a sa tête.
You see, everyone in Fabletown has a role to fill. You just have to pay attention to what they need to help them find it. Why don't you have a seat, Sheriff? We have a great deal to discuss.
Oh oui. Jean Rochefort, merci Lily, c'est ce que je cherchais. Très bien, discutons. De toute façon,
All right, you got me here. Let's talk.
Oh non, ça s'arrête pas là-dessus. Ah non! Ah! C'est si dur! Ah!
I've heard stories about you.
En vrai,
In the old days, how you picked off those men one by one. Oh, how they screamed. The wolf is coming. And they would wait, hiding anywhere they could squeeze their pathetic, shivering corpses. Some would just drop to their knees where they stood, close their eyes, and wait for death. And you'd give it to them. I wish I could have seen it. Oh well.
Putain, c'est chiant. Est-ce qu'on s'arrête là ou pas? Bon, on verra. De toute façon, pour vous YouTube, c'est là qu'on va s'arrêter. Et puis, on se retrouve pour le dernier chapitre de Wolf Among Us. Des bisous YouTube. Ciao, ciao.